My beautiful queens, your next Owambe style start right here with this beautiful Gele style. So get your 3-layer Aso-oke material. Let me show you how you can achieve this beautiful Owambe Gele look in less than 3 minutes, and you don't need a professional to get this style. You can tie it by yourself. As you can see, I created 3 folds, which makes it to create like a pleat look in front right there, and then I cross it at the back. So my Gele style is a division of 50-50, each 2 equal sides, and I'm just going to gather one side on the right rough pleat like this. But because I wanted to achieve an umbrella shape, so I just want to make sure I have the leftover that I need tied together. So I use a hair tie, just like a placeholder, to remind me what I want to do with it and to make it stand very well without using much pin to hold it in place. So I use the hair tie to hold it in place while I work on the other side by gathering a rough pleat, just like the first one on the right side. So I did the same thing to the left side, but this time around I just bring it up, and then I'm going to be using the right side to create a knot in the center like this. I think I readjusted this Gele. Now is division of 40-60. One hand is longer than the other, but it's okay. We're still going to make it work. So I open up the big flay that I use the hair tie to hold in place to form umbrella shape by folding it into 2 backward, because I don't want the flay to be too high. I just want it to be so moderate. So I'm going to tuck in the side on the left side and arrange on the flay to frame my face, while I open up the short hand on the right side to join with the flay that we have on the right side. So as you can see, I just open it up, and I'm just going to be using a pin to secure both together to form in the center like this. So I use an office pin to hold it in place. And guys, isn't this looking good already? Will you be taking your time today to try this head wrap style out before your next party? This is very simple and beautiful head wrap style that you can tie by yourself without paying anybody a dime to tie it for you. So pin it down if you don't want to tuck it in, just for more security. And guys, arrange it very well to frame your face. Tuck in the tuckables, arrange the arrangeables, and you are good to go to your next party. Will you be giving this a try? I want you to give it a try. You're not going to spend hours, and people will be asking you who tie your head wrap for you, and all you will be able to tell them is, I did it myself. So this is a DIY head wrap style that you can achieve on your own. Don't forget to share this tutorial, and thank you for always watching African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. I bring you updates like this on a regular basis. Thank you.